This is Shantanu sir, and this is the most important video for class 12 student for their upcoming exam. Every student can solve linear programming problem LPP, but they have some confused. How was the objective question or MCQ question will come from LPP? So in this question, we will discuss the most important, also expected objective question from LPP, and in just 7 minutes. Just see the video. Here is the first question. In a LPP, if the objective function z is equal to ax plus by has the same maximum value on two corner points of the feasible region, then every point of the line segment joining these 2 points give the same maximum value, because here is the maximum value. So if we get the feasible region like this and we get maximum value for this two corner point, then we will get the maximum value any point of joining this line. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Now goes to question number 2, and this is the question number 2. Maximum z is equal to x plus y such that x plus 2y less than equal to 4, x plus 2y greater than equal to 6, xy greater than equal to 0. The given LPP has. So at first you have to draw the figure. Think that here 2, here 4, here 6, and also here 2, 4, 6. Now first point 4, 0 and 0, 2. 4, 0. So this point and 0, 2. So draw this line. Now next 6, 0 and 0, 3. 6, 0. 6 and 0, 3. This two line. Okay. Now we have to find the region. So this is true. So its region should be in this side. And this is false. So this region in this side. So now we have, is there any bounded feasible solution? No. So option number A will cancel out. No feasible solution and infinite number of feasible solutions. So there is no feasible solution. Now goes to question number 3. Z is equal to ax plus by is a linear objective function. Variable x and y are called. Variable x and y are called which variable? This is decision variable. Okay. Now goes to next question in question number 4. In a LPP, the objective function is always linear. So option number C is the correct answer. Now goes to question number 5. Here is the question number 5. A linear programming problem is one that is concerned with finding the A of a linear function called B function of several, say x and y, subject the condition that the variable C and satisfy set of linear inequalities called linear constants. So this is a theoretical question, and in this question option number B is the correct answer, and you have to remember this question. Some theoretical question we have to remember, because for MCQ exam we can answer this theoretical question within second. So this is the one of the most important theoretical question. Now goes to question number 6. Here is the question number 6. A feasible region of a system of linear inequalities is said to be dash if it can be enclosed within its circle. It's always bounded, because feasible region always a bounded region. Okay, this is the feasible region. Now goes to question number 7. Here is the question number 7. The linear inequality in the graph is shown below. Here is the graph. Here is the corner point C, here A and here B. Now feasible region. Now tell me what is the feasible, this is the feasible region, this is the feasible region. So feasible region occurs between which point? A, B, C. So now check your answer. Where is the option? Yes, option number C is the correct answer. A, B, C. Okay. Now goes to question number 8. Here is the question number 8. If the feasible region for a LPP is unbounded, then maximum or minimum value of the objective function z ax plus by may or may not exist. Yes, it's may or may not be exist. It can be exist or not. So it's true. Now goes to question number 9. This is also a theoretical question, and please remember this question answer. Now goes to question number 9. It's also theoretical question. Maximum value of the objective function z is equal to ax plus by in a LPP always occurs at only corner point of the feasible region. Maximum value of the objective function of LPP occurs at the only corner points. No, it can be occur between these two joining line also. So it's false. Now goes to question number 10. Here is the question number 10. In a LPP, the minimum value of the objective function z is equal to ax plus by is always 0 if origin is one of the corner point of the feasible. It's also false. Okay. Now goes to question number 11. Corner point of the feasible region for an LPP are 0, 2, 3, 0, 6, 0, 6, 8, 0, 5. Let f is equal to 4x plus 6y be the objective function, the minimum value of f. So find the minimum value for 0, 2. It's 0, 2. It will be 0 and 2, 12. 3, 0, 3 also 12 for 3, 0. 6, 0 is 24. 6 it's also maximum. 0, 5, 30. So this is the two minimum value for 0, 2 and 3, 0. Now we have to check option. Option number A 0, 2 only, no. Option number B 3, 0 only, no. The midpoint, no. Any point, option number D, any point on the line segment joining the points 0, 2 and 3, 0. This is the correct answer. Now goes to question number 12. Here is the question number 12. Corner point of the feasible region determined by the system of linear constraints 0, 3, 1, 1 and 3, 0. Let z is equal to px plus qy, where the condition on the p and q are the minimum z occurs. Okay, minimum value occurs at 0, 3, 0 and 1, 1. That means if we put 3, 0, then we will get 3p. And the minimum value same at 2 points, 3, 0 and 1, then the minimum value will be same. So for 1, 1 it will be p plus q. Now from here we get 2p is equal to q. So 2p is equal to q means p is equal to q by 2. So option number B is the correct answer. Now goes to question number 13. Here is the question number 13. Maximum z is equal to 3x plus 13. Maximum z is equal to 3x plus 4y such that minus 2x plus 3y less than equal to 9, x minus 5y greater than equal to minus 20. So try to draw the picture. here is minus 2x, that's mean minus 4.5, minus 4.5, think that here, and other point 3. So this is the straight line and it's less than 0, so region is towards origin. Now x minus 5y, and here is minus 20, so it can be written minus 1, thing that here, and also 5 4, minus 1 comma 4, here is the region. Now it's 0 comma 0, less than equal to 20, this is also towards origin. Now the main common portion is, here is the common, sorry, here is the common portion, this portion. So now check your option, a unique optimal solution, alternate, and this is the unbounded, this region is not bounded, so option number C is the correct answer. Now goes to question number 14. The optimal value of the objective function at the point on x-axis? No. Only on y-axis? No. Which are corner points of the feasible? Yes. Option number C is the correct answer. Now goes to question number 15. Which is true? And this is also theoretical question, and in this question we have to remind option number A is the correct answer. Minimum z is equal to minus maximum minus of z. Understood? This is the most valuable class for class 12 students. So try to solve all the 15 question at your home. Then you can easily answer all question from LPP. Okay, bye everyone, and the next day we will discuss about some trigonometry inverse problem. Okay, bye everyone.